I've been a cashier, hotel staff, factory worker, and a teacher. Lahat ng trabaho, pero legal. Papasukin para maging doktor. So, I want to thank God, really, first of all, for this award. Whenever I feel like giving up, God always gives me reasons to keep the fire burning, to finish the passion that He planted in my heart despite my difficulties. Kasi that night, when I received the email, I'm thinking, mag-e-enroll ba ako? Wala akong pang-enroll. Not enough. Imagine the tuition fee of being a dental student. But Bukas is here, and I'm eligible to take another London. So, sabi nila, paano ka nakaka-enroll? Fully paid ka pa. Naglo-London kasi ako. London dito. So, one day, and thanks to OLFU, I'm really proud to be a Fatimanian kasi really a working student-friendly school. And I would also like to thank my school, Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela, College of Dentistry, for being a working student-friendly school, though a lot of people say na hindi kaya ng dentistry student maging working student. Alam nila yan. But so organized school, kaya I can manage to work at night and be a dental clinician in the morning, including the subjects and dental requirements sa clinic. I can manage everything. You helped me prove them wrong na kaya namin, kaya ko maging working student. And here I am a proud dentistry student and a working student. So thank you, OLFU, and thanks to my Dean Arturo, Dr. Arturo, Dr. Dacayo, and Chief Valdesco for being so considerate sa situation ko. Last but not the least, thank you so much, Bukas, for creating a platform to break the stereotypes about students like us. And I'm proud to say that I'm a working student and a walang hiyang estudyante na kayang trabahuhin lahat ng trabaho makatapos lang. So to all the working students out there, ano man ang course nyo, kapit lang. May bukas pa, may London, may Londito. Don't ever let any difficulties take your dreams away from you. You own your future because you are your own future. So, you are your own bukas. Thank you po.